Okay, so we got loud noises, like skyquake loud noises going from loud to low. Right now it's low. And now it's getting louder.
It's like,
We have all the neighbors out here looking at this. It's been going on for 5 minutes. Some kind of notification saying about a Cosmo being launched early in California. I didn't know we had a space shuttle launch station. I don't know what's going on, guys. What is it?
broken gas main, I've heard.
Broken gas main?
There
Is it a
looks like,
skyquake? Is it the aliens?
What's the nearest?
smells like gas, so probably like a pipe leak or something.